Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on my Boxycharm. Of course, I'm going to try on each item in the box and then I'll tell you my thoughts about each of them. So let's get into my July Boxycharm. Opening the box up, and this is July's card. It says Cutie Pie. So the first item in the box, I'm going to pick this one out, and it's Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo. Okay, first time I ever received Bare Minerals, so I'm excited about this. Oh my goodness. Retail price $32. This side says glow and this side says matte. So it has a nice mirror, of course. So I'm going in with the matte side, patting it on my under eye. You know, I'm just gonna apply it all over. Have to put it here because, you know, when I smile, those lines. Let's go in with the glow using the other side of my brush. I'm liking this duo. The matte side is to set your eyes or face, whatever, you know. I honestly like it because it does not make my face look cakey or dry. And those are one of my pet peeves because I already have dry skin and dry patches, so I don't want to look more dry than I am. And this matte side does not do that at all. Now, the glow. It's not an intense glow. You will have to build it up if you want it to be intense. This is more of a subtle, natural glow. Going back into the box, and I want to grab this bad boy, the Uni-Brow Universal Eyebrow Pencil by Winky Lux. I said Winky. By Winky Lux. Retail price $12. The packaging is adorable. I love it. Now, oh, okay. Open it up, and you got the spoolie part to buff out your brows, and then the pencil. The shape of it is kind of weird to me. It's a little thicker than usual. Looks like a triangle, kind of. First time trying a pencil, a brow pencil like this in the shape. I like it, but then I have a dislike, and my dislike is the shape of the pencil. I am a brow whiz type of girl. I never bought the brow definer, so I know the brow definer is in this shape. So if you like the brow definer, you would not have no problem with this. That's my only dislike, is the shape. What I do love is the spoolie, and that's just weird to me, but it really does a really good job on buffing out your brows. I feel like it just, in a few swipes, it just does the job. Getting back into the box, I see this right here. It's from Blinc and Boxycharm. Guess they did a collab together. Electric Eyes Palette by Blinc. Retail price $45. Oh, they're very creamy. Let's do it like this. Very pigmented. Okay, I'm liking this. I hope you can see. Wait, which one I just did? Wait, 1, 2, okay, 3, Look at this. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, this one's gonna be kind of weird. Wow, these shadows are beautiful. I'm going into my Kathleen Lights palette with Morphe. I'm going to use this one right here for my crease. I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I'm going back in and I will be using this one right here for my inner corner. I'm going to go in with this cranberry shade right here. And I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. So these shadows right here, oh my gosh, I am loving them. The only thing that I can say that's, I mean, it's not bad, but it's just they don't have transition shades, but that's it. The pigment on these shadows, the colors are beautiful. So I mean, I am loving that cranberry shade. The other ones are beautiful too, but that cranberry shade, it just speaks to me. It just pops. Like, do you see that? Going back into the box, and I'm going to pick up this beauty right here. Now, I love Colourpop. I love them so much that I'm so excited that we get this item in the box. So this is Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip. This is in the color Beeper. This lip color from Colourpop, I love it. And since it's an ultra matte, it will last a little longer. But yeah, I mean, I never have nothing bad to say about Colourpop. The pricing is amazing. The selection, I mean, just everything about it. This is a great company, and the retail price is $6. And last in the box is this thing right here. Project Beauty Spray Set and Go Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, retail price $32. Kind of nervous. Close your eyes, Sam. I like it. I mean, it's a setting spray. I do like the nozzle. It doesn't just squirt out at you. So the nozzle's good. But other than that, I will have to keep on trying this. The overall price of July's box is $127. Wow. The only thing I dislike about this box is the shape of this pencil. And every other item here, I like them all. I'm excited to use them. That concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you receive Boxycharm, let me know down below if you liked your box and what you liked and disliked. If you don't receive Boxycharm and want to, I will leave the link in the description below. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you next time. Bye.